Jingjia ki Shipara Synrap laban ong bakadai ka bakarpang bha kata na du balakhai ki shakasla Pyrthei bat ki don bai Jingjia stream bat Jingjia ka zoya bu zain ki don gani Jingjia bakila don khat arsnam karta hak bakila penlut ikapor dak baile kailang shisur bak Jingjia haswa baki Kuli bat ki bom ka Pakistan kin dekat Jingjia jungki bora arngut hak step nyautrik cumang arajar absan kani kalacha Punch district Jammu and Kashmir hakapur line of control uba phya ka Pakistan ba India ba laban ong ba zoya bu zain ki wanlang shi ka Pyrthei Henrik lit phai lang shu blai ya ka babun hi kimla ban mudur hak jing stom nomor ka jing sha therbom ka kemi ka arusa khan kadang ngej adu menta bagi khon jongka ki dang le ka shabar bat manu ban thu ya ka ba jing jongka kamlong shu kummo mun shwa amtang bakala do iki khon ri wat ulok jongkaru uramis khan udan na jingile ban yo biang jingem na jing man saujur kazoya bu zain ki de na preng ki khan rungot ki balayap na jing ther bom bat set Kuli ka Pakistan ha line of control tangkat tu kan ne kanta hadin ka jing ther namding ke India ya khandai dali ki tem lano ha step senya nyautrik chumang archa option lingba ko operation sindur ban cuba bi Jingjia sa set yap ki arpan rungut ki brio hapal gam dagi leno lashkar itaiba balakershan da ka Pakistan haki khndiat snem bladep ramis ubadai no kai school bat ka arusa ka bari no kai kam trikti kilawan phet na kalani chak thru shapunj ban yo Jingjia ka bakhamba bat ka puli puthi babyang na mata ki khon henrei amla ban perkhat bakanja da kumni menta haka nyautrek cumang archa option kumba ka por nyausteng menstep ki Kuli bat ki bom ka Pakistan ki lawandai hajan ka Christ school punch haka ba ka tegalong yeng ka basawai hajan kala sha ther lang ka zoya bu usain ki lakhla rashan ka ba kupapat laman saujur ba ka kmepat kala mensaw munu mala larai u sha hospital punch ha ki doktor ki la phara no yu che GMC Rajori ban khambyang ka jing sumar uramis udang khon ban yo pat yela ka jing upat tep ayu la ja ki khon jongu ba ka ni ka Jingjia ki Shipara Synrap kala kata bahai ke jingsngau ke nong shnong ha Jammu and Kashmir haba pentep shikilat Pyrthei khubor ke no phaisngi kandai trek chumang ar option halo ke Jingjawan penher drone bat siat namding ke Pakistan shiki benta ke Jammu and Kashmir Punjab Rajasthan bat Gujarat akamet pratrek chumang ar option Ubikram Misri Foreign Secretary ke tenat External Affairs ke Sarkar India ula batai bene halo ke jingsiat ke Pakistan ha ke nyautrek chumang ar option ke bla sheme ke Jingjia arngut ki khna Jongkatika School Catholic Hapunj. Yakatika School Penyai the Carmelite of Mary Immaculate CMI Bakitei Khna School Kidei Bapuli Hakatika Christ School.
This extremely regrettable and condemnable incident during heavy shelling across the line of control in the early morning of 7th May. A shell fired from Pakistan landed just behind the Christ School. Run by the Carmelites of Mary Immaculate congregation in Puj. Tragically, the shell fired from Pakistan hit the home of 2 students of the Christ School. Both students unfortunately lost their lives and their parents were severely injured. Another Pakistani shell struck a Christian convent of nuns belonging to the congregation of the Mother of Carmel, damaging water tanks and destroying solar panel infrastructure. Several priests, nuns, school staff and local residents took refuge in an underground hall beneath the Christ School during the shelling by Pakistan. The school happened to be closed at the time, fortunately. Otherwise, more losses would have occurred. These provocative and escalatory actions that were taken by Pakistan last night were targeted at Indian cities and civilian infrastructure, in addition to some military targets.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.